Hello guys, today I'll show you how to work out lowest common multiple of two numbers really easily. So let's say a question was, how do you work out the lowest common multiple of the two numbers 84 and 120? So first of all, normal steps, you just work out its prime factors using a prime factor tree. So 84 would be 4 and 21. You look at these two numbers and you say whether they are prime factors or not, prime numbers or not. So if they're not, you continue with its factors. So 2 times 2 and 3 times 7. Now, but all of them are prime numbers, so you just circle them like this. For 120, you do the same thing. So 120 would be 4 times 30. None of these are prime numbers, so you continue. So 2 times 2 and 30 would be 3 times 10. So 2 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 10 is not a prime number, you continue with the same step. 10 would be 5 times 2. 5 is a prime number now, and so is 2. Then you work out the lowest common multiple by doing this. So write it out like 84 would be equal to 2 times 2 times it by 3 times it by 7 over here. So you're just writing out as prime numbers into one straight line. Then you do the same thing for 120. 120 would be 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 2. After looking at these two numbers, you want to work out lowest common multiple by doing this. If I get a new color, let's say pink, purple, pink, there we go. What we do is, you look at these two numbers and you say prime factors, you say which of these do they have in common. So if 84 and 120, they both have 2 in common. So you circle it like that. Then you look at it again, you say, oh, they have another 2 in common. You circle it like that. They have a 3 in common. And it has a 7 remaining over here. However, there are no 7s over here, which means that these are the only 3 numbers that they have in common. Once you do that, you write out lowest common multiple would equal to. So all the numbers that we have circled out like this, you count them as one separate number and not as 2 equal numbers. So you say one set of 2 multiplied by one set of 2 by another set of 2 multiplied by another set of 3. You won't write out 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. You just write it out as one set, like a group now. And then you say what other numbers are remaining. So you have a 7 remaining, you have a 5 remaining, you have a 2 remaining. So write that out. 7 times 5 times 2. After doing so, you multiply them all together using a calculator, or if not, you just do it in your head. Or to the side. So 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. So we've got 8 over here. Multiply that by 3, 24. Then we have 7. So if you do 24 times it by 7, so that's 4 is 28. So this will 16. And then we do 168 multiplied by last number, 5, 0, 4 goes there. So the lowest common multiple would be 840. And there you have it. That's how you work out the lowest common multiple of two numbers really easily. Hope you enjoyed it.